Aluminum curtainworks is a flexible carpet solution designed to offer high performance. Our aluminum curtainworks enables flexible to create impressive facades that not only enhance the aesthetics of buildings, but also provide the functionality and performance required to meet an acid current standard. Glass curtainworks are a modern architecture feature that have gained popularity in recent years. They are essentially a type of facade that consists of glass panels, which are held in place by metal frames. These panels are usually installed on the exterior of buildings and provide a number of benefits. One of the main advantages of glass curtainworks is that they allow natural light into a building. This is especially important for buildings that are located in urban areas where space is limited and natural light is scarce. By allowing natural light to enter a building, glass curtainworks can help to reduce energy costs and improve the overall well-being of occupants. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, glass curtainworks can also improve the energy efficiency of a building. This is because the glass panels used in curtainworks are often treated with special coatings that reflect sunlight and heat, which helps to reduce the amount of energy needed to coat a building. Additionally, the metal frames used to hold the glass panels in place can also be designed to provide insulation, which further improves energy efficiency.